Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily add a player you follow in the MLB app. If you are a baseball fan and want to keep track of your favorite players and teams, this guide will make it simple and straightforward for you. First, open the MLB app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Settings. After that, tap on My Players and Teams. Here, you will see the option to add a player. Tap on it. Browse for the player you want to follow. Once you have selected your player, click on Done at the top right corner to save your selection. Finally, your chosen player will appear in your My Players list, allowing you to receive updates and notifications about their games and performances. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and enjoy following your players.